In this video, I'll demonstrate how to link your PayPal account to Coinbase, which is a useful tool for transferring crypto earnings or performing other transactions. To begin, ensure you have a verified PayPal account and a Coinbase account, and use the same email for a smoother setup. Enable two-factor authentication on your device and ensure that PayPal is available as a payment method in your country via the Coinbase link. Your PayPal account must complete all identity document verification steps and confirm that your country of residence is correct from your account settings. Once your PayPal account is linked, you can use it in Coinbase to withdraw funds or cash out your crypto by selecting it as your withdrawal method during the withdrawal process. In some cases, people can also buy crypto directly on Coinbase. Linking PayPal to Coinbase is a simple process that makes managing crypto transactions even more convenient.